A leaky shut-off valve can be a big trouble as it can lead to water damage and increased utility bills. The good news is that fixing a leaky multi-turn shut-off valve is cheap and easy. Before starting any plumbing repair, it's crucial to shut off the water supply to prevent any accidents or further water damage. Place a bucket or towel under the valve to catch any residual water. Use a screwdriver to remove the handle, then use an adjustable wrench to loosen the packing nut. Turn the nut counterclockwise until it comes off. Then, gently remove the old rubber seal from the nut. After removing the packing nut, carefully turn the valve stem counterclockwise and pull it out of the valve body. The stem is the part of the valve that rotates when you turn the handle. Before installing the new stem, take the time to clean the valve body. Use an old toothbrush or a small wire brush to remove any debris or corrosion from the valve's interior. This step ensures a proper seal when you install the new stem. Now, take the new valve stem from the BrassCraft multi-turn valve stem repair kit. Before inserting it into the valve body, wrap the threads of the stem with plumber's tape. This tape will help create a watertight seal. Insert the new stem into the valve body, ensuring it's aligned properly. With the new stem in place, screw the packing nut along with the plastic and rubber washers back onto the valve body. Use the adjustable wrench to tighten the nut, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the valve. The packing nut should be snug enough to prevent leaks, but still allow the valve to turn smoothly. Turn the water supply back on by opening the main valve. Slowly open the valve by turning the handle counterclockwise. Check for any leaks around the packing nut or stem. If you notice any leaking, tighten the packing nut slightly until the leak stops. The process will also help flush the supply line. With the repair complete, monitor the valve for a few days to ensure the leak is fully resolved. If you notice any moisture or water droplets forming around the valve, you may need to tighten the packing nut a bit more or reapply plumber's tape. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.